Hello truck drivers, welcome to Trucker Food and Things. This is a tutorial on how to make Mississippi pot roast with a few simple ingredients. Now don't forget to strap this crock pot down when you're done so that it doesn't tip over. Also, you're going to need about 700 watts of power for your inverter. This is really easy to make. It takes about 5 minutes to do. You just need a nice chuck roast with lots of marbling. That way it breaks down real easy and it pulls apart. Just add it into the crock pot. Then add creamy ranch dressing in a powdered form. You just got to sprinkle it right on top. Then add brown gravy mix in the powdered form. Just sprinkle it right on top. Next, you're just going to add a full stick of unsalted butter. And then about a cup's worth of pepperoncinis. I prefer the sliced kind. You can use your own decision as to which one you like. I just think they cook down really well if you use the sliced kind. And it's really simple, as you can see. And then you just turn your crock pot on low and it'll cook in about 6 to 8 hours. So once you're done driving, you're good to go and you got a great meal. Now, as you can see, it's all cooked down. You remove the cover, you take a couple of forks, and you can just literally pull that chuck roast apart. And it just melts. Turns into a really nice meal. Now, I assembled a small salad to go with it, just to keep that carb load down. Because technically this counts as a keto meal, as long as you stick to just the salad and the roast. Now, I will also be including after this how to make instant mashed potatoes, just so that you can see that that's possible too. Now, the only reason why I chose that was because obviously you don't want to have, potatoes in the truck. They just don't last. So I chose powder form. As you can see, that pot roast that chuck roast has just broke down really nice. It goes great on the plate. And this is extremely flavorful. Really wonderful meal. So to make instant mashed potatoes, it's really simple. You add a cup and a half of instant mashed potatoes. You just put it in a mixing bowl. Add a cup and a half of hot water, 2 tablespoons of butter, and 2/3 cup of milk. And then you're just going to mix it really well and make sure that all the ingredients are blended. And that's it, guys. Nice and simple. It's going to cost you about $3 per meal. With 3 pounds, it makes about 7 meals. So you're doing pretty good. Hope you enjoyed. I can be found at Trucker Food and Things on Facebook and MeWe, at Trucker Food on Twitter, and on the web.